Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, another story behind the car, and we've got Vic in his 1986 square body dually, and holy cow, Vic, what an amazing truck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, and I see that you're also in the top 100 at Dino's Get Down.
Yep.
That is a tremendous honor.
Yes.
So can you tell us about the truck starting, I guess, with the wheels and tires?
Yeah, so my buddy Harley, Dually King, he actually, him and a buddy, Kevin, got this truck from Oregon. It was actually a ranch truck. And
oh, wow.
Yeah, so basically we kept the paint how it was. They threw the stripes on it. This is his Dually King cut 22s.
Okay.
It's 265, 35. Fits perfect. It actually rides really good. We did a lot of this. We did the rear helper bag in the back, and then it's the switch the 6.8 drop dill that they have for switch suspension.
And what did you say, the rear comfort?
Yeah, the airbag for towing and stuff like that. Because I'm basically gonna tow something next year.
Yes.
So just kind of prepped it to get it going for that.
And how long have you owned it?
For a year and 3 months now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was mentioning to you a moment ago, I thought I had seen it on United by Trucks, and you said Robbie had interviewed you last year?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep. That was a good time. I was really thrown off. He surprised me. He wanted to take pictures and video, and he was like, let's go ahead and just do a little interview. And I was like, all right, let's do it.
Well, it's such a unique, the paint stripes. And what is the license plate here?
It's Zorro.
Yeah.
So basically it means like the fox.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of people don't think about Zorro like the movie and the show.
Yeah.
But that's why you couldn't catch him or anything like that, because he was a fox. So obviously with it.
Yeah.
The fox.
And that's Spanish, I'm
Yeah. Yep. You one of those? Yes. No, not yet. No.
Yeah, I'm Irish and German, so when it comes to Spanish, I took Spanish 5 times, never passed. Oh, is this original?
Yep, that's a camper special.
Holy cow, I've never seen one of those before.
Yeah, that's a pretty popular with these, like, especially these single cabs. This is a deal. And I'm actually gonna probably end up getting rid of this one.
Yeah.
And I came up with like my own like fox like deal.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have it orange in the